Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my very sleepy eyes, like it's 6 a.m. now and it's very cold. It's the 21st of Christmas. It's the 21st. It's the 21st of sleep, leave me alone. It's the 21st of December, you guys. A day to Christmas. I just realized that. Wow. A day to Christmas, you guys. Merry Christmas in arrears. I know that it would have been past Christmas by the time you're seeing this video, but yeah. Merry Christmas, my love. So I was saying today's 24th, okay? And quite a number of things to do today. I wish I don't have to go out this morning. This is one morning that I'm glad for Nigeria's weather. I was saying to my husband that those in the Europe, oh my god, like the cold I'm feeling this morning. I had to wear long sleeve and long trousers home this morning. I was saying to my husband that those in the UK, the cold that they are feeling is over 10 times what I'm feeling now. And this guy still has to step out, to go to work, to get things done. Jesus. This is one morning that I'm just grateful for the weather of Nigeria. God, thank you, God, thank you. It's so cold. It's so cold, you guys, and I'm so sleepy. So, excuse if I look some kind of way. But yeah, 21st of December. And it's staycation day today, you guys. We are going out. We are going to be out of the house for Christmas. Okay, so we're going out today. We're going to be there 24th today, 25th, 26th, and we'll be headed home by 27th. Okay, so we are going to a beach. I don't even know the name of the beach. Oh, I shall know that it's a beach. I'll show you guys when we get there. Okay, and yeah, I'm up. The plan for this morning is to quickly make pepper turkey and fried plantain and fruit slices that we'll be going with, because it's Mr. O and his friends and their wives and everybody. So I think we're like 5 couples. We'll be staying out together, and yeah, so I'll be taking some eatables there, right? So I want to quickly do that and get that out of the way. And then 7:30 I have to head out because I have an 8 a.m. client, guys. And once I'm done with her, I'll come back home and then it'll be time to go. I'll see you soon. Okay, I'm on the coat today. Meadow. It's so cold outside, my nigga. You guys, look who's ready for beach hangout. Look who's ready. Look who's ready. Guys, I got back like super late. I was really late. I just had to quickly pack a few stuffs, and then I'm headed to the beach. But the look I created, sweet. But I wish I could do a clip for you guys, but I couldn't. It's a coded clients. We only post those kind of people, okay? But yeah, the look came out really nice. But then I'll see you guys when I get to the beach, okay? Hi guys. So I'm here, you guys. This place is far, but yeah, I don't even know what the time is. I think it's like before, but we just got here and we are in now, you guys. I'm going to relax a bit, okay, and then I'll give you guys a proper room tour, because we're going to be in this room for like 3 days. Today 24th, tomorrow 25th, next tomorrow 26th, and then 27th we'll be going home. But you guys, let me show you my view. My view is giving me everything I want. It's giving me everything I want. Okay, let me show you guys. You guys, this view is giving everything. Like, you see that ocean? You see the ocean? Like, woo, ocean view. Okay, this is what I subscribe for. This is what I subscribe for, fam. All right, you guys, like I said before, let me just, you know, relax. I'm taking care of, and I'll be back to give you guys a proper room tour. By the way, I'm still feeling my knee length braids, and it's giving everything it's supposed to give. Okay, you guys, I'll see you soon. Ciao. Hi, welcome to my room. Come on in, come on in. So from the door over here is the bed, and just beside the bed is this side stool. It has some information like the code for the restaurant, the bar, and all of that. And there's also an intercom for if you like have to call the bar, the restaurant, and all. On top of it is this, I think this is a lamp, okay, and then it also has like a drawer to put stuffs in it. Just in front of the bed is the television, obviously. Over here we have the wardrobe, and you guys, we've not unpacked yet, so we just have our boxes here. This is just my laptop bag, and here we just have a couple of things. This is the pepper turkey I made. I don't know if you guys have seen the clip, but yeah, pepper turkey, fried plantain, turkey, pepper turkey and fried plantain over here. And then we just have our sweet mouths, biscuits, and all of that. So over this area we have, I think this originally is supposed to be like a dresser, because I mean the mirror is supposed to be here, and this is the chair, but I don't know why they never put the mirror. Okay, but for the time being, while I am here, this is going to be like a workstation for me. I just stay here and like optimize features and do some of YouTube work over here. And here we just have like, you know, stuff. There's this artificial plant here. It says €1, but it's cute and fine, not bad. And we just have our sunglasses here, because I mean, what's a beach without your sunglasses? Over here, down here, we have our fridge, a mini fridge here, and we have like drinks and water in there. Here is like fruit slices I made for later this evening. And then from there we have the toilet. So this toilet is very petite, it's a very cute toilet. Okay, so this is like where the seat of the toilet is. Right, see, fat person cannot stay here. If you are big, the size, this is not your size. Okay, it's only us, it's only our size that can stay here. Okay, and then this is the bathroom. It's actually clean, it's just that it's small, right? And then over here is a dresser. Mr. O, say hi. Mr. O is behind the camera, obviously. So over here is stay here and brush your teeth and do all of that. Okay. So back to the room. So this room cost, I can't remember how much it costs. Is that 35? Okay, so this room costs 35k and it's upstairs. But there are some rooms that cost the same amount that are also downstairs. Those rooms are way bigger than this room. The bed is way bigger than this bed. Their bathroom way bigger, and I think their wardrobe as well is bigger than this room. But because we are content creators over here, we decided to choose light, because I mean we have very good access to natural lighting here. So we decided to go for a cute room that has a very nice view, you guys. The view of this room is to die for. Okay, it's beautiful, and I just like that natural light is coming in. You guys, this is currently past 5 p.m. and I still have access to natural light and stuff. I'm really happy for that. So we compromised, or we chose having access to a beautiful view and having access to natural light over having you know, like very big space, big bed, big bathroom, and all of that. Life of a content creator, you guys. The things I do to give you guys content. Please go ahead and like this video. Now is the good time to like this video. This is your cue to like this video, okay? So that being said, let me show you guys my view real quick, okay? So over here I have like a door that leads into the balcony. It's a very mini balcony, but yeah, it's really nice. And you guys, check out my view. No, you just check it out by yourself. Check out the view, okay? Ocean view. Ocean view, like you guys, with this view, see, don't give me food on this beach, just give me this chair and let me just sit down and just be looking at the ocean, the endlessness of this ocean. Tito Bioluwa. Mr. always looking at me. Tito Bioluwa, the greatness of God. Like, I love this view, like it's so beautiful. You guys, my vision man don't invest. So anyways, that's my room tour. I just thought to show you guys a brief clip of what my room looks like. This is where we'll be staying for like 3 days, like I said before. Today, Christmas Day and Boxing Day, will be here. Later today, there's like a pool party, and you guys, I've got my bikini with me, okay? I'll see you guys pretty soon, okay? Bye. Hi guys, so I'm just going downstairs, like I'm going to see what the beach looks like. I didn't mention, but this is like my first time on this beach. It's called, I think it's called the Timeless Beach, right? So I'm just gonna check out and see what it looks like outside, okay?
Hello.
Oh, you are there, my love. I did not know you are here. You guys, Mr. O will not let me vlog in peace, so Mocha guy will vlog in peace. So in here, guys, I have like fruit slices, cucumber, pawpaw, and pineapple down there. And here we have pepper turkey, and I just made a bit of fried plantain and just added a bit of boiled egg over there. It's time to feast, you guys. Hi guys, so it's currently past 11 and I'm going back to my room. Mr. O has already gone back to the room. I'm not very happy. I am happy, okay, but the video that was supposed to go up today could not go up anymore because after I finished uploading it as unlisted, I realized that it had copyright strike. So it had them copyright claim, I mean, so I had to delete it. I couldn't make it public, else I would get a copyright strike. And that's like really, that took me hours. I started uploading that video as soon as I woke up this morning. That was like 6 a.m. No, not 6, like 5, okay, and then that video just went up at 8 p.m. only for me to see that it has copyright claim. I had to delete it and go back to my editing app to take out the part that has the music and then re-upload it. Right now I think it's at 50-something%. There's no way it can go up tonight. It has to be tomorrow. I'm behind schedule. I have lots of content to put out that, you guys, it is somehow for me, but yeah, I don't like that I'm missing some days upload just because of either network problems or because I wasn't able to edit even after I have content down to upload. But it's fine, you guys. I'm just going to go in and edit a bit, then I'll call it a night and we'll continue tomorrow. I just wanted to come on here and end this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy watching. If you do, please go ahead and do the needful. Like, comment, subscribe, share. And you guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Okay? Ciao!